Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a gentle full body yoga routine that will help you to stretch and relax your entire body. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones by moving the butt cheeks away. Lengthen the spine, roll the shoulders back. Let's gently close our eyes and bring one hand on the belly and one on the chest. Let us begin by taking a deep breath in into the belly, feeling the belly expand outwards. As you exhale, feel the belly soften and come back in. Again, inhale, feeling the expansion in the belly. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and comes in. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale deeply. Exhale fully. And relax and bring the hands down. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Inhale. And gently open your eyes and we'll start the practice now. Let's bring both the hands on the knees. Tilt your head towards the left side. Gently roll it back and take it to the right. Again, roll it back and take it to the left. Let's do these half rolls 5 times, keeping the shoulders pressed down away from the ears, getting a nice stretch in the neck. Last one, going to the left and going to the right and come back to center. From here, as you inhale, extend both the arms up, interlacing the fingers at top and stretch up for 3, 2, 1 and relax. Grab the left wrist with the right hand. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend towards the right, looking up towards the ceiling, getting a nice stretch along the left side of the body for 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Grab the right wrist. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend to the left for 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and bring the hands down. Let's walk the left hand to the left side. Inhale, extend the right arm up, bending to the left. Staying here for 3, 2, 1. Now let's start rotating the arm in backward direction. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Let's do it for the other side. Walk the right hand out. Inhale, extend the left arm up, bending to the right for 3, 2, 1. And start rotating the arm in backward direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back to center and relax. Now let's bring the left hand to the right knee and take the right hand behind. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right, looking back over the right shoulder. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist for 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's do it for the other side. Right hand to left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist, looking back for 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now let's bring both the hands behind, and we are going to extend the left leg in front. From here, press into your right hand and right knee and come up, coming into a side stretch. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Come down. Let's do it for the other side. Extend the right leg out. Bring the left hand on the mat behind you. Inhale, rise up for 3, 2, 1, and come back and relax. Great. From here, let's come into a tabletop position with shoulders stacked over the wrists, hips stacked over the knees. Spread the fingers out wide, looking forward. As you inhale, lift the tailbone up, extend the spine, and look up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone in, curling the spine, bringing chin to chest. Again, inhale, extend up. Exhale, curl down, pulling the navel in, bringing chin to chest. Inhale, up. Exhale down, creating space between each vertebrae as you push the mat away. Last 2 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And come back to center. From here, let's take the knees slightly out. Flatten both the feet and push the hips back. Coming into child's pose, bringing the forehead to the mat. Staying here for 5, 4, breathing into your lower back. 3, back of the chest. 2, space between the shoulder blades. And 1. Now let's bring the right hand under the left arm, bringing the right shoulder on the mat, coming into a twist. Staying for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Let's take the left arm under the right for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Great. Let's come back to tabletop position from here, and we'll do some hip rotations from here. So bring the left knee to the left side in line with the hips. Take it back and then bring it down. So we are going to do these outward rotation of the hips. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do it in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Let's do it for the other side. Lift the right knee towards the right. Take it back and down, going outward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great. Now let's tuck the toes in. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, push into the hands and feet and lift the hips up, coming into downward facing dog. Let's keep the knees slightly bent initially. Lifting the tailbone towards the ceiling, pressing the chest closer to the thighs. Let's take a deep breath in and out here. And then let's start walking the dog, straightening one knee at a time. Let's go from left to right. Breathing into the stretch in the back of the legs as you straighten them. Last one. Going to the left and right, and then straighten both the legs. From here, let's start bringing the right knee forward, bringing the right knee close to the right wrist, and then extend the left leg back, coming into pigeon pose or kapot asana. Try to keep your hips squared to the center, and if there's a gap between the right hip and the mat, you can place a cushion under. From here, you can either stay on your hand or come down on your elbows, or come all the way down in pigeon pose, staying for 5 deep breaths. Very good. Come back. Now, let's bring the left forearm in front, parallel to the right shin. And we are going to inhale, extend the right arm up, looking up towards the right thumb, coming into a twist for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. And let's do it for the other side. Step the right foot back, bring the left knee forward, extending the right leg back, coming into pigeon pose. Find your center with the hips and take your variation. You can stay on your hands, come onto your elbows, or walk all the way out, bringing the forehead on the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Bring the right forearm on the mat. Inhale, extend the left arm up, looking up towards the left thumb for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the left arm down. Come up, bringing the right leg forward, and bring both the feet together in front in butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Let's grab the feet with the hands and take a deep breath in, lengthening the spine, and start flapping the knees up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, bringing the hands on the mat. Getting a gentle stretch in the inner thighs and groin area. Staying for 3, 2, 1. Shake. Now from here, maintaining the position of the legs, let's slowly recline back and come into a reclined bound angle pose or Supta Baddha Konasana. You can adjust your hips so that your lower back is flat on the ground, and then bring both the hands on either sides. And let's rest here for a few deep breaths. Very good. Let's bring the knees in and extend the legs out. Take both the arms over the head and give yourself a big stretch, stretching the body in opposite directions for 3, 2, 1. And relax. Bring the right knee in. Take it to the left side and look towards the right for 3, 2, 1. Come back. Bring the left knee in. Take it to the right, looking towards the left for 3, 2, 1. Come back. Let's turn to one side and then taking support of the hands, come up into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We'll finish the practice with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam or the humming deep breath, which is great for calming the mind. So for this, bring both the hands on either sides of the ears, closing the ears with the thumbs and gently placing the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in through the nose and keeping the mouth closed, slowly exhale out, making a deep humming sound. Keeping the eyes closed, slowly bring the hands down on the knees. We'll finish with an Om chant. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this session, which you can do on a daily basis to reset your mind and body. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, keep practicing, take care, and bye-bye.